The first thing I want you to do is open the chart that you made in part 3, which I called chart. And once you have that open, and if you don't have that from part 3, you can just go ahead and type it back in. I'm going to change the font of the whole thing, which means if I click this corner button right here, it'll select the whole spreadsheet. Then I can go up to my font choices and go down to Comic Sans. And now the whole document will be Comic Sans. The next thing I want to change is the size of the font to 14. I'll go down to 14. Now I want to make sure all my cells are big enough to read what is put in them, and it's not, because you can see the word number is missing an R. So if I still have the whole spreadsheet highlighted because it's in gray, I can go up here into this line and double click, and it will fix all of the rows for me to make sure they're the right size. I'm going to change each column to a different color. So I just click on column A, and I am going to fill in yellow. Column B, we're going to make green. And column C, we're going to make blue. So I've made each one of the columns a different color. I'm going to highlight in a different color my favorite number. My favorite number is 3. I'm going to make that a different color. I'm going to make it red. My favorite letter out of these letters is A. I'm going to make that red, and all I need to do, since I've already have the red created, I'm going to just click red. And then the blue, my favorite animal is a dog. I'm going to make that red too. I'm going to copy the word pig, so I'm going to click on that cell, go down to my cross, and draw it down so I have 10 pigs. Pig, 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 pig. 9 to 19 makes 10. I'm going to make sure my grid lines print, which means I need to go up here to page layout and print. And now I want to make sure I save this. So I'm going to File, Save As, Desktop, and I want to make it chart. Now when I click Save, it's going to say, are you sure you want to replace that? And I say yes. I want to replace the old chart with the new chart.